guys, and welcome to another video. We are in Okinawa, which is weird. It feels very weird here. You know, Okinawa is like a small island which Japan owns. It is really close to Taiwan. It's in the middle of the Chinese Sea. But yeah, we're in Okinawa. And we're visiting at least one shrine today. And then we're going for a drive because we rented a car. But it looks very cool. It's a very different vibe here. They are, it's like got American base on. So there's a lot of Americans, a lot of American influence. And it doesn't feel like you're in Japan. It feels like a mix between Miami, Japan and the slums. I don't know, not the slums, I'm joking. Feels just different. Quite tropical, but also not Japan. It feels very weird. But it's cool, it's very nice. There's a lot of cool cars. Landed last night and today we're just wandering. We're only here for one day, so yeah, and it's not very nice out, but we'll make the most of it. But have a look at this. It's a bit different. It's kind of a lot more, feels a bit like, would you say Hawaii? Tiny bit. Guam. The Emperor. So these are called shisa. And one has their mouth open, one has their mouth closed, the other one's over there, and they ward off evil spirits, so it keeps them out of the temple or like your house. So you put them out front. Don't know if you remember from the Nara videos, I brought my book with me, so we just got another stamp. So that's where they like write their calligraphy. Is it calligraphy or do you just... Okay, we're going on a side quest now. Just spotted what looks like a beach, because all I've been saying since we've landed is I'm an island boy. I'm almost an island guy. But this is really nice. Look at it. Ooh, look at the water. This feels like an anime around here. It's so weird. Sorry if the wind's really bad. I don't know if any of you have watched Tokyo Revengers. This kind of feels like the area where they'll meet up and be like, we're going and attacking so and so. It really feels like that. There's like a road here, but it's crazy. Oh. It feels like Pirates of the Caribbean, but we're in the Chinese Sea. I can't think we're still in Japan. We're like so far out. We're closer to Taiwan. What the hell? Cool.
Right?
Yeah. We've come away from the beach now, from the Cape, because there wasn't too much going on, but we have come to this place that we passed. We're just stopping off and sort of just exploring. So this bit of a random video, not too many plans. We're going to go to American Village later and then go shopping, but where we stopped, there is this go-kart track and they are going so fast. Look at it, Pro Group. It's Toyota. That's cool. Maybe we check it out. This is where we're heading. We drove past it down this road. We're like, oh, what's this? Looked it up. It's a village that they made. So naturally, curiosity has gotten the better of us. Go! I made it.
300 meters, turn left.
But entrance charges. They're gonna charge us. The only tourists here. They're gonna charge us. Whoa. 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 This is cool. There's no one here so far. Oh, just as I say that. Whoa, look at this. This is cool. Where are we? Whoa, look at these lands. This looks cool. One thing I'm going to say is if you guys have played the latest Pokemon on Switch, this feels like the expansion bit where you go on that trip thing. It feels exactly like it's got like the music playing. And what is this? This is... What is this? This is cool. This is really cool. So I really like these shisa, and they do shisa making here. We're gonna see if we can do it. Them. I've picked out the colour I'm using. It's like a sparkly maroony purple. I don't know, pinky purple. We're gonna make these. Oh, kawaii. So just picking our colours and then we're gonna get making. Okay, so this is the one that I've made. This is my shisa. It's sparkly. I did mess up a little bit, but I added like a big old tail for his big old butt, and then I added these little bits on the ears. He's got tongue. So like this is the like example that we got given, and then I added like these little bits. This is what Mumu's making. It's really cute. A bit better than mine, but yeah. So that was a really fun activity, and we're just having a wander around. They even have horses. This is the first wild, well kind of we've seen in Japan. They don't have anything wild here. Oh, there's a wild man in a cage. I don't know where we are. These are the things that I really enjoy about Japan. Like we come to a random island, well it's not really random, but we come to an island in the middle of the sea, and there's still all this cool stuff to find. This is really, really amazing. We were going to go to the American village. We're waiting for our shisa to be baked in the oven. If you guys want a good time in Okinawa, come here, trust me. Dinner is served. Yeah.